Alright, well, I couldn't really find a good stand to put this on, so I'm just going to show you what I did after the fact here. What I did was make a little box that went over, just over the package of the bees. And, there's the package. I opened the package, took the feeding can out, the queen out, removed the candy plug, or the cap that went over the candy plug, and then I stuck the package upside down into the hive, or into the, over the box, after I wired the queen to hang off of one of the frames. So seems to not have disturbed them as much, so I did have to take it back off to take the cap off. Forgot to take the cap off the queen cage, which this is my first bee release, so had a nervous, forgetful moment. So but other than that, I think they're going to be good. I'll come back tomorrow to, after 24 hours, to remove that cover box and hello, happened on my arm, and put the inner cover on and the top on. Then I'll just leave them alone for about a week to settle in. Also have these pollen patties I infuse with a little bit of wintergreen and Crisco and sugar water, of course. I'll be putting one of those on top of the frames also before I replace the top. So other than that, they're orientating themselves to where they are, how to get in. Thinking, contemplating removing that entrance reducer, at least until they figure out where they are, but I figured they'll get it. I may just remove that though, because they don't look like any of them even found the entrance. So I might just do that, just for giggles. Not sure if that's the right thing to do or what, but that's what I'm doing this time. Figure for 24 hours, it's not going to hurt anything. This still got my adrenaline going a little bit, even though I know this situation, their defensive instincts are not triggered because they are not defending a hive, because they do not have a hive yet. But there's a whole mess of stinging insects that are there. So I usually play with bees a little all the time, one or two. But this is a lot of bees. This will be fun though. Be happy when everything's established and comfortable for all of them. Well, till next time.